you say that we move too fast. Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away. Now you treat me like a friend. All the wicked games you play, baby, I just can't pretend.
What up, Facebook? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a video that for some reason I just didn't realize that I didn't have a video and a look of this sort on my channel, or if I did, it's a very long time ago. So yesterday when I was getting ready for Thanksgiving, I was super late and rushed as per usual, and I did a really simple, really fresh, glowy look, and it just looked pretty and just pretty. It just looked pretty. It was very simple though, and I haven't done anything really simple like that in a long time. I always kind of go full ham or don't go at all. But I just wanted to show it to you. So I'm gonna sit here and get ready and show you how I did it and show you what I used. And like I said, it's super simple, but it's one of those things that's super quick as well. Extraordinarily quick. Yeah. So I'm just gonna sit here and show it to you. I'm wearing my I don't care if I get makeup all over it shirt before I get ready. I'm actually getting ready to go to the movie with my friend and out to eat and to do our grocery shopping, just stuff that we do normally on Fridays, but we're adding a few things to it just to have a good time together out today while we're both off work. So I'm just going to show you how I do it and what I use, and hopefully this will be something that you can put in your arsenal for those days when you either don't feel like a full beat or you're just tired and busy and rushed and you want to look really pretty and fresh, but you don't want it to take a long time. So if you'd like to see what that is, then please keep watching.
Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away. Now you treat me like a friend. All the wicked games you play, baby, I just can't pretend. Can we go back to that perfect day? We drew the blinds and we felt no shame. Now we're not sure if we feel the same, and I need you to know that I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we can make it. It's messing with my head when you keep me on the edge, keep me on the edge. up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away. Now you treat me like a friend. All the wicked games you play, baby, I just can't pretend. Can we go back to that perfect day? We drew the blinds and we felt no shame. Now we're not sure if we feel the same. And I need you to know that I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we can make it. It's messing with my head when you keep me on the edge. 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 Go ahead, let me go again. Turn it off, come and turn me on. Haven't we been here before, in the dark before the dawn? Pull me close, then you pull away, then we're back to making amends. All the wicked games you play, baby, I can't stay. Can we go back to that perfect day? We drew the blinds and we felt no shame. Now we're not sure if we feel the same. And I need you to know that I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we can make it. It's messing with my head when you keep me on the edge. I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we can make it. It's messing with my head when you keep me on the edge. 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 Made it clear what I feel for you when you say that we move too fast. Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away. Now you treat me like a friend. All the wicked games you play, baby, I just can't pretend. Can we go back to that perfect day? We drew the blinds and we felt no shame. Now we're not sure if we feel the same. And I need you to know that I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we
Alright guys, this is the final look. As you see, I did a very simple basic eye, but I love to put a beautiful bright bold lip whenever I do this. And today I am using my favorite Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte, which is the shade 90210. How pretty is this? It's my absolute favorite. I love it so much I already want to buy it back up because I just love it. It's beautiful. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this gives you a look that you can put in your back pocket for those days when you're in a mad rush and you don't have a lot of time to do anything, but you still really want to look pretty. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.
Made it clear what I feel for you, where you say that we move too fast. Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away.